excited to show you our brand new 2024 Aviara 28. This is the stern drive model with a powered hardtop. We have blue with white highlight. Strong power, 40 horsepower Bravo, great. Road cruiser. Absolutely gorgeous boat. This is the first Aviara we've got here in Hopatcong. We're very excited to show you. Aviara's catchphrase is luxury without limits. This is considered a luxury vehicle. Here on the bow of the Aviara, absolutely ample space, gorgeous interior of this boat. CoolFeel vinyl, this will not get hot in the sun. We have cup holders, we have phone holders, we have charge ports, stainless steel windlass anchors up front, we have access to that. As I come through the port side, we have a door that closes against the wind. Our windshield that will come closed, very solid feel. The center of the boat, we have the head compartment with a vacuum flush head. Of course, a magnet to hold the door open, so if somebody's going in there while you're underway, no fingers can get crushed. Up here on the helm, we have our tilt steering wheel, automatic trim tabs, our large Simrad screen, and to the right is the Aviara screen. We can customize all the lights on the boat. We can turn everything off, on. Very simple to use. Automatic trim tabs, the buttons we're going to use all the time, our binnacle with active trim. So we come back to the back of the boat. Our backrest will slide forward to add room in the cockpit. More cup holders, more charge ports. Of course, the power top above my head. Storage underneath every seat. And a lot of other great features. Come on down to MarineMax and I'll show you the rest of the boat. This is David. Look forward to meeting you. Thank you.